People are gonna have to look at these when they see you with these on. And you know what I want you to tell them? These is the Don Don ones. Yo, what's going on? It's your main man Rick the Don, and guess what I got? The Don Don One Jelly. I love the OG. I love the wheat, but this is the one that I've been waiting for. When you get the shoe, you get this nice wrapping. So I'm gonna kind of go through the entire process so that you can kind of get a first-hand look at what this is all about. And then you get this beautifully designed box, man. It's a custom-made box made by yours truly. Beautiful design, size 12. Got the jelly colored decor. And when you open the box, you are greeted with some nice paper here. Your shoe is here, made in Italy. Oh man, wow, okay. And they come individually wrapped. This is my first time seeing the jellies, man, so I don't even know what to expect. People are gonna have to look at these when they see you with these on. These is the Don Don ones. You got the gold eyelets. These mugs is tough, bro. All right, you know what I gotta do? I gotta put them on feet because I think that's really the only way to get a true understanding of what these boys represent. Yo, these mugs tough. I'm actually happy with these. I didn't know how much I would like the crocodile on these joints, but that leather is fly, man. All right, so I'm gonna put these on. I'm gonna take my camera off the tripod and let you, oh, these mugs straight, man. There you go. What I tell you? Yeah, the black leather, the crocodile leather, the red sole, Italian, a real Italian leather, the custom box. But anyway, that's all I got for you today, man. I'll holler at you on the next one. Go cop the Don Don One jellies. Show some love to your man Rick the Don. You already know what it is, man. Let's get it.